Hey, it's Tyler from Rehab to Fab Designs, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to decorate some drawer sides using Dixie Belle Silkscreen Stencils and their chalk mineral paint. I'm using the Floral Stencil and chalk mineral paint in the navy, and I'm using the rose design to put on the sides of my drawers of this china cabinet that I recently made over. Silkscreen stencils are my favorite because they have a sticky backside. This means you get a perfect stencil every time. I like to apply my paint using a sponge in a stippling manner, so you just kind of tap it in place over the stencil design, and then when you're done with that area, you simply peel the stencil up and move it to the next portion and do the same thing over again. That's it. Super easy, and look how pretty it is now. I went from a boring plain drawer to a super sophisticated look that goes great with the rest of my cabinet. And it only took minutes. To finish the look, I went ahead and painted the dovetail portion of the drawer to give it that extra added one-of-a-kind touch. Once complete, I rubbed the sides down using Big Mama's butter to refreshen the wood, and here's what it looked like. What do you think?